Yo, I gotta. All right. We like it. We like. Where's my fucking phone, dude? Yo, 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 yo. Are we live? The sound good, chat? I guess it's good. What? Let's get it down. What the fuck just happened to that dude? Give me a moment, chat. I gotta connect the power bank with my smartphone, dude. Takes so much charge. Let's put it inside. Right. Alright, alright. Whoa. Alright. Yo, chat, turn it up. What's up? What's up? What's up, chat? What's good? How you doing? We have news in less than 12 minutes. And alright. So eventually, yeah, we ended up shooting these highs. Mm, these highs on GBP USD. Yeah, what do you think? Is GBP USD gonna sweep these highs? I low-key think like it's gonna go up there and yeah, see these all. We have news at less than 12 minutes right now. And we have news in less than stayed all of. There is no reason for me to put them right at this moment. But, but, what the fuck, man? Quadrants. Alright. Mm, mm, mm. Chat, I think me Nas gonna probably do these highs up here, and well, I just wait and see what it does. Once we broke this box right here, this consolidation phase, once it broke these highs, it's gonna go up. The low key, it's gonna go up. And let me see one more thing. Yeah, you could see right now it's, yeah, within this consolidation phase, it's sitting at the 50% of that range. So if you've studied ICT's old video, you know whenever there is a huge move, it always happens from the 50% of that uh, consolidation range. So is your consolidation range, and I'm gonna have it right here. Mm, mm, we have a fair value gap right here. Let's make it blue. And yeah, man, I think it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. Bro, what the fuck happened on gold and all other currencies? Was there any news, chat? Was there any news or what's something? Why it moved like, bro? Why the fuck there was this much spikes? Why the fuck market caused this right here? There wasn't even any news at that time. And you could see, bro, gold dipped almost like damn 19 points, bro. Yo, yo, what's up, man? Euromate, yo. Alright, 7 minutes left for the news to come out. So let's see what happens. And Nas gonna go up, bro. Nas gonna go up. I'll probably get into this on my personal fund. I'm gonna take a trade there. By the way, Chad, bad news for y'all that not for y'all, for me, bro. The 50K is blown. My 50K evil is blown up, dude. 24867. 24867.00. Alright, I'm in on my personal fund. I'm in a trade right now. Where do I have my stop loss? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's gonna be crazy, man. It is gonna be crazy, dude. Either I'm not risking too much on this though, but let's see. Because I expect to see breakout above these highs from the 50% of that consolidation range. And we have a news right now. What am I doing, man? It is buy side, buy side, buy, buy. Okay, let's just wait. I could be cooked, man. I could be cooked on this 5 more minutes. PPI to be bullish for gold. Do you have any view? PPI, let me check, man. I can't exactly tell you is it gonna be bullish for gold. I can tell you if it's for um, the XY, then what is the forecast? All right, we might see some bearish prices for the XY. That's what I can say. PPI gonna be bearish for the XY, and so with that in mind, all the counter USD pairs probably gonna push higher today. That's what I can tell you. Nothing more, bro. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. To be honest, I think it will sweep low and spike up. I mean, it's not CPI though. If it was CPI, you could have said that it's gonna sweep out some lows. But let's see, bro. I'm not risking too much. I've taken this trade on my personal front. Ah, it's not a big amount. How much am I risking though? Almost like 87 bucks. Yep. I'm gonna hold this trade until we get up there, up here. But yeah, 3 more minutes. Let's see. I'm gonna make a coffee within this time. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make a coffee, and I don't know what the fuck is gonna happen. I just hope we make some money. All right, it could sweep me, bro. I don't care. All right, the coffee is done, bro. Euro and pound for the news even. Uh, they're probably gonna go up. JP is low key very bullish, and also Euro bullish from me as well. But I think JP USD gonna move more like cleaner, and yeah, they're gonna continue going up though. But let me see if we can make some money on NAS today. Bro, why the fuck Nescafe coffees are so expensive, dude? Nescafe is so fucking expensive nowadays. Where is the fucking volatility, bro? Where is the fucking volatility, dude? What the fuck? There's no fucking volatility, man. Should have gone with gold, dude. There is no fucking volatility. Fuck, man. Let me check on the news for a moment. Do we have all the numbers right now? Yeah, yeah, we have all the numbers except the core PPI. Still pending. Still fucking pending. Bro, what kind of bullshit news is this, dude? So I told you it's gonna be bearish for DXY. It is bearish for DXY chat, but there is no volatility, dude. These days, Forex has been like fucked up, man. It's fucked up. We have anything? We don't have any sort of bearish indication right at this moment, so I'm gonna keep on holding this trade. There is no fucking volatility, man. Fucking bullshit news. It used to be volatile, man. It used to be volatile before, but nowadays it's so fucking bullshit. I'm long on MQ from 24,820. 24,820, damn. GG, man. When did you enter? Yo, Banana, what's up, bro? By the way, chat, like and sub up. And yeah, Black Friday is here. Make sure to check Affinity Funding. We are giving a 30% discount right now. So you can get a 10K bill for 62 bucks. I think 60 bucks it was. So it's more cheaper than funding fee right at this moment. So click the link on the pinned comment and also check the description and make your first purchase. Or you could just simply enter my coupon NACJOHN ICT. That's it. Bro, it's so fucking slow right now, bro. Do you have a fair value gap on S&P? Do you have a fair value gap on NAS? On the 3 minute, there is no clear fair value gap. I think we might go down and see these lows, or maybe this could be the manipulation. This 830 move higher. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's our 830 opening, right? So this top on right here could be the manipulation to go lower. I mean, I'm saying, although I'm long on NAS, but yeah, man, you gotta know if you're stopped out, and you gotta know why you got stopped out. So I'm expecting not to see this, but at the same time, it could do that, right? So, and we swept another low. So if we don't run higher right now and inverse this level like up, I might gonna get stopped out. I might get stopped out though. All right, we made a fair value gap, so let's see how we react off of that. All right, your stop is my entry. Great, man. Make money, man. Make money with my stop. Who gives a fuck? All right, just as I thought. All right, we out. We out on this rate. Just as I thought, bro. So this stop hunt right here was the manipulation of 830 to go lower and sweep these lows. So it could now go down and sweep these lows right here. Good, I'm telling you, bro. You're not gonna see me even flinch a little bit today. No, I'm fucking emotionless right now. I gotta be more emotionless, bro. I was trading emotionally for so long. Now I gotta change that, man. I gotta change that. I gotta change that. So as long as we do not see any sort of SMT, bullish SMT, I'm not going for uh, long entry. All right, Euro also did the same thing, man. You see, GBP is really kind of very bullish right at this moment, and we have SMT with these lows. Did we tap into the 50% of this trading range? All right, we're in discount, so you could expect price to respect this fair value gap. This could be a setup though. This could be a setup. Uh, Almost 1 is to 2.6 hour trade. Yeah, and that's probably gonna a data low. That data low is gonna be swept, I guess. Let me take this off. This low right here gonna be swept. Let's see on the 15 minute if there is any clear picture. So we failed to sweep these highs, and we have a bearish S&P, that's S&P 500. If you look at your chart, we made lower high, but on S&P 500 we made higher high. I guess we made higher high on S&P 500. Yeah, so we made higher high on S&P 500, but we didn't make higher high on NAS. So NAS probably gonna go for these lows. Let me take this off. These, these, and these. All right, so let's see. These lows and London sessions low could be swapped on NAS today. We don't need this anymore. Now you can use any fair value gap to look enter for shorts. This could be a setup like this. You can have your stop loss right here, I guess, more on the safer side. On the 3 minute, yeah, it's gonna go down. Let's just observe price for a moment. All right. It's been a little choppy. It's been a little choppy, man. What do we have? Gold motherfucker is just going higher like, come on, man. What the fuck are you doing, dude? All right, so I think it's gonna leave those gravity gaps unfilled right at this moment. Probably gonna leave those gravity gaps unfilled. I'm not sure, but let's see. Right. The chat like and sub up. Crazy shit, my mate inverse candle limit order tap up to 5 hours and respect it so fucking nicely. I entered on change the state of delivery in 2 candles. My TP got hit. Wait, bro. Who is chasing, man? I'm not in a trade right at this moment. I mean, this gonna go down there. You'll see. But I'm not in that trade. If I'm right, I'm telling this again. If I'm right, we're gonna leave these gravity gaps unfilled. Probably gonna probably gonna leave these unfilled. Y'all just judge without knowing anything, dude. Why y'all do that? If I'm in a trade, I always say that, man. There is nothing to hide from y'all. I'll always say when I'm in a trade on I got stopped out, I price went to my TP. Actually, now this order block should be sending price lower. It's like a sniper entry, bro. Ah, I caught a little bit of this move on my personal front. I think I entered on that OTE on the 1 minute time frame on gold right here. I pretty much scalped today on gold. First rate was around here, and you're not gonna believe this, I know. And I have this execution to show y'all. I'll do it later. So it was like this: 1:1, 1:1.68, right? When I saw that it tapped into that fair value gap and we had a what is fucking silver, dude? Mm, yeah. So we swapped that high. As soon as we swapped that high, I thought didn't even know price gonna give us that much of like uh what do you say speed with that move. I didn't even know why the fuck it happened, but I think I got out below these lows, somewhere around these lows. And yeah, somewhere around these lows I got out. Bro, if I knew there is any news, bro, look at this candle, dude. Within 3 minutes, it moved like crazy, though. But whatever. I must say nothing. Someone in the chat said that he gonna enter. My stop is his entry. Bro, did you enter the trade? You didn't. Did you enter the trade, dude? If you entered the trade, you got fucking stopped out, I guess. And yeah, we swapped the data low. It's I don't know, it's data low, or you could say some sort of high frequency candles low, maybe something like that. So we got another fair value gap right there. I'm done with my coffee. There is another fair value gap. Let's have a look at S&P 500. All right, so there is a bullish S&P right at this moment with that low. So all we gotta see is that price doesn't sweep that high. If it does that, then it's probably gonna go up higher, right? Now I'm gonna take this off. Let me just put my coffee. Okay, on the 5 minute, we have a fair value gap right here, but I want to see what I want to see is that we go straight up, go down and sweep these, maybe one of these, then go fill in some of that fair value gap, and then go one more time, sweep these two lows, and if we're bullish, then we're probably gonna go um, upside after that. But I don't know right now. I do not want to see price going up. If it does that, and if these fair value gaps get inverse, then it's likely to go up. I can tell you that at least. And right now, price is respecting that 1 minute order block, right? That one, and we inversed a small gap. We inversed a small gap, but and let's just keep it here as well. Let's see if we can close above these candles. Mm, yeah, man. Check 352 inverse New York trend. What? On gold. Let me see, dude. 352, man. Where is 352? 352 inverse New York time. I mean, it's it tapped there. Yeah. What's the big deal, bro? Now I'm gonna say one thing. It could have went in down and swing this low. It could have went in straight down, but it didn't do that because we already swept that low, bro. That recent low already been swept here, and you could see that old high on gold on here, how price reacted from that support level, and we had imbalance, right? So just because we swap these lows, where's our buy side liquidity pools? Right above these highs, all right? So that's why it didn't go down there. It already swept the lows. Smart money already in the game from that point, right? So they do not need to go down, send price another time. If they did, then it would have been like continuing to go lower. That is a pretty good inversion though. Mm, 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 mm. And we had this propulsion order block. Let's use the high. Hey, whatever. It's now slow, too much slow. Yeah, so I'm gonna take all this off. This one as well. So there's our swap. I mean, sweep of liquidity. What can I put here, man? It's gonna go up. Bro, S&P 500 looks so fucking juicy, man. We tap the 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see how it reacts from there. And if we go down from that point, then probably it's gonna sweep this loss. But if we are bullish, Loki don't want to see that 5 minute bearish fair value gap. Bearish FVG. FVG. Alright, I'm gonna see how we react off of these bullish fair value gaps. Then we know either price is gonna go down or up. We don't want to see any inversion right at this moment. If we see any inversion, then it's likely to go down. So we don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. Do you get that, chat? Get that? Do you get it? All right, we have another news at 10 a.m. man. What's that news? Those are medium impact news. Those are medium impact news, by the way. So, all right, so now we inverse that 1 minute bullish fair value gap, so it's likely to go down and sweep those lows. What the fuck wrong with this bitch, man? What are you saying? What are you saying? Views on Europe. All right, man. I got you. I got you. What did you expect me to say on Euro right at this moment, dude? It's gonna continue going up. Wait for 9:30 manipulation to get into longs. And there you see the GBP USD trade. I didn't even took that trade and it did exactly what I said. And you could see how price respected that fair value gap and it didn't even went even a pip below that fair value gap, bro. So it's not even a pip. So yeah, man. But these are too slow for now. So that's why I'm not gonna participate in this. And yeah, dude. All right, next. Now I'm gonna go down. Let's inverse that 1 minute. Inverse this 1 minute, and let me show you one thing. And you could see how price fucking inverse that 1 minute fair value gap, bro. That is fucking awesome. And now we are in fair value gap. Once we broke below this low, man, then it's probably gonna continue going down, and we're probably gonna see a big wick downside, and it's gonna sweep all these babies, right? So yeah, man, give some claps, give some claps, Chad, give some claps. What the fuck, man? Holy moly! All right, these are two order blocks from me. Um, the first one is like a propulsion order block. Now I do not want to see price uh, violating this high right here. I don't want to see that high being violated at this moment. If we invalidate that high, then that's not good. That high shouldn't be swept. It should go down. Man, come on, man. What the fuck is wrong with this shit? It's fucking irritating, bro. Yo, chat, like and sub up, dude. Like and sub up, chat. Like and sub up. This fucking irritating, bro. It's fucking irritating like shit. Man can't speak even a single line without using effort. Then how the bro, bro, you fucking G, bro. You're a fucking G, man. I was trying to reply you, and even then, the F word just, bro. You were a G, bro. You were a real G. That shit was funny, bro. That was funny. All right, so we tapped that propulsion on the block. Did you tap that? No, we didn't tap that. All right, we tapped that. So now I expect to see some speed downside if we are bearish. But if we are not, then it's gonna go up. I got a fucking Dude, are you being there? Alright, so this 5 minute candle, what time is it? 9 a.m. So what I want to see, chat, is that before 9:30 we make the P9:30 manipulation downside and sweep these lows, or maybe the 9:30 open could sweep these lows, and then we're gonna move higher. That could be the scenario. That could be one scenario that we can expect to see. What's up? What's up, dude? Warm G's. Warm G's. What's up? What's up, man? What's up? Yeah, chat. I gotta put the chat. I gotta put the chat. Do we have any SMT right at this moment? We fucking don't. We fucking don't, baby. Let me see what it is doing at this moment. Bro, this fucking candle just didn't even do any shit. All right, there we go. New 15-minute candle should be pushing price downward at this moment. Yo, chat, like and sub up, like and sub up. And yeah, make sure to check out Finity Funding, 30% discount today. 30% discount today, chat, 30%. But because of we have Black Friday on, so make sure to check them out. Don't lose this opportunity. All right, you could literally see that NAS is pretty much very bearish today. Right at this moment, NAS is more bearish than S&P 500. S&P 500 is kind of resting here, and we're probably gonna create the S&P, the bullish S&P that low, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, there it goes. And which that's not gonna do shit for me, man. What the fuck, dude? Yep, 6K. Chai, you know what's funny? I'm up 60 bucks. I'm up 60 bucks on this on my personal fund. And now it's not a big account to expect to see some sort of 1,000 bucks on profit. No, bro, that shit is not happening here. I'll probably gonna close my trade. Yeah, made 100 bucks, almost 100. And do you think it's I'm lying? Let me see if I can show you the execution. So how am I supposed to show the execution, dude? So I didn't log into this personal account from my PC. One, if I log in from my PC, then I could have shown you the execution. But you could literally see that I just closed that position. Whatever. Fuck it. Oh man, fuck me, man. I'm up like 1% on my personal fund though. I'm not gonna say what's the size, but now that Chad, by the way, I'm thinking of buying some futures prop, uh, and I'm thinking of going with my fund futures. That's the cheapest one, and I've never traded futures prop, so that is gonna be my first time. And if I want to know something from you all. If I buy an account today, so they charge 77 bucks. My fund futures charge 77 bucks each month, right? So if I buy an account today, do I have to pay that 77 bucks the next month? I mean, after 5 or 4 days, because the new month's gonna start after 5 days. December gonna start. Today is 25th November, right? So do I have to pay the 77 bucks after 5 days again? I'm like confused about that shit. So if anyone knows about that, it would be very nice. If you all know that, please let me know. Let me know, chat. And we, yeah, mitigated our loss and made a little bit profit on this. That was a nice trade, and you could see, chat. Do you think I'm bluffing? Did you sweep that high? Did you sweep that fucking high? Did you do that? Did you fucking sweep that high, dude? We didn't. We didn't sweep that high, man. Now that's how we do it. I'm lucky getting good on indices. So yeah, if anyone in the chat knows about that, please let me know. Please let me know. That's gonna help a lot. No, bro, 30 days. You have to pay after 30 days if you didn't post. All right, thanks, brother. So then I'll probably gonna buy this eval futures eval tomorrow. I think today I'm not gonna buy that account. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy it. Tomorrow I'm gonna start a 50K new eval chat. From tomorrow we're gonna restart doing futures trading, and you all also gonna know if I'm a good futures trader or not. You say it like that. Yeah, whatever shit, you get the point. And what I was supposed to say, well, I forgot, man. What I was trying to say. What the fuck? Let me remember that shit. What I was trying to say. Man, I forgot that, man. Oh, dude, what the fuck? By funding ticks, there is no consistency after post. It's also not costly that much. Is it, bro? Is it? Let me check funding ticks. Can you buy evils with crypto? Can you buy evil with cryptos on funding ticks? All right, we swept these lows on my broker. It already like down there. Yeah, it's a little bit delay, little bit delay. How do you say? Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is funding takes? Can you buy the futures evil with crypto? Chat. Can you buy the evil with futures? I mean, I've seen some sort of bad thing about funding ticks. Not gonna lie though. I really did see some bad things. So evolution stage 50K, how much is that? Bro, how much is that? What the fuck, dude? That's you said that's cheap, bro? That is fucking costlier, man. That is 126 bucks, dude. What the fuck, dude? You think I'm Mr. Beast or what? I'm not gonna buy that evil right now with 126 bucks. Man, I'm not even if they like sponsor me, if I become an affiliate with them, then you could say I'll probably buy their account. Right now I'm not, bro. 126 bucks for a fucking account, though. Sack no activation fee. You can get that too on what is it? My funded feature. So what I'm trying to say is that there is no bad thing about, yeah. So there is no use of buying a account without activation fee because I mean without a monthly payment if you're not gonna pause the account. So if you're gonna pause the account, right, you don't have to pay that amount, right? right after you post the account. Once you get the first payout before before even a month ends, before the first month ends, yeah, when you bought that eval, imagine you post that account and you reach your payout stage and you requested a payout and got that, and well, the first month ends, then you can pay the monthly fee with that payout, bro. So you don't have to worry about that. And imagine you bought a no activation fee or no monthly fees account with 120 or 150 bucks, whatever you say, but you didn't post the account. So what's the benefit of that, bro? I don't get it. I mean, dude, 50% consistency rules is not even that much bad. So if you have a 1:2, um, what do you say? 1:2 strategy, well, yeah, 1:2 strategy, then you can easily post the account. And I see, right, where it is. Floor plan, studio post, studio account reviews. Start at 50K, price 97 bucks. Right now, the price is, how much is the price? 77 bucks per month. Um, but I'll share it later. I'll share it later. Let me check that from my phone. Let me check that from my phone, dude. I did tap into the fair value gap one more time. So my funded futures, dude, this fucking man, this fucking cough is just irritating, dude. Just funded accounts, evil to live, funded accounts, legacy, scale rapid. My funded future, you can only get payout or worth of $500 max per payout. Now, bro, they increased it, I guess. But 500 bucks is not a small amount though. You can buy 5 evils with that amount, so it's not a small amount, bro. You shouldn't be saying that, bro. What the fuck? I forgot. Shit, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. But we tapped into that one more time. What? Why the fuck I can see that, man? Relation rules and parameters. Mm, consistency rules. Core plan. So total profit target on a 50K, $3,000. Max profit that we should achieve 1.5K. Yeah. So you gotta make 1.5K twice to close the account. Exceeding the 50% consistency target does not reach the account. Traders who have achieved more than 50% of their total profit target in one day simply need to trade additional days until consistency is met. I mean, that's a headache though. That's a headache. That's a fucking headache, man. Let's check out my funding ticks. Funding ticks. Mm. Oh, bro. What the fuck? There we go. There we go. There we There we go, Chad. There we go. Yeah, that's why you are probably and I'm still struggling. I should respect the money a little bit more. Bro, I just blew three fucking 50k eval within 3 months. Not 2 months, yeah. October, I blew two 50k evals on indices. I mean, Forex and indices I traded. I was, I mean, I get it, bro. Those are all my mistakes, bro. I don't blame anyone. I blame myself. But I'm not those guy, like who gonna buy like 50, no, I mean 10, 50k eval and probably gonna first two of them. I buy like one at a time. If I post it, I'm gonna take some payouts and then after that, if I even blew that account, I don't regret, right? So I'm not gonna buy like 10 evals, but and I don't have the money, bro. I don't have the money in my pocket at the moment. So on a 25k student, you might gonna make 1500 and minimum trading days, 3 days. Bro, there is consistency rules. There is consistency rules, man. On what do you say? Funding takes. If we take zero, oh my god, that was fucking costly, bro. So 25k equal for 97 bucks and 50k for 126 bucks. On the 126 buck, you got there is 40% consistency rules on the I mean evolution phase, and we have the same thing on my funded futures. So what is the difference right now? And every five trading days at 90% split. Weekly reward cap 5,000 bucks. All right, so these guys have 5,000 bucks. I mean you can like request 5,000 weekly reward cap, and I think they pay only like 50% of what you make. So I saw that my funded futures. So now you can add on the 3,000 bucks profits features. Let me check on that for a minute. My funded futures. So that funded. So on the core plan, because 50% of the profit generated in sim funded up to 3,000 per cycle. Bro, you're saying you cannot request more than 500 bucks, but you can request more, like almost 3,000 per payout. Like you're gonna make 10,000, I guess, and you can add that for free. That's a free add-on, bro. Also, let me see another thing, dude. Virtual limitation for storage sim funding. Max payout after 5 winning days is 1,200. Oh, dude. Starter account 97 bucks. It's showing fucking well. It's showing 77 bucks, but these guys are saying 97 bucks for starter account. I think. What is the fucking code plan, bro? Payout policies. Blah, 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 instant payout approvals. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Code plan. On the code plan, request the payout of the 5 winning days with at least $100 net profit per day. Those are minimum, bro. Maximum request you can do is like 1,000 bucks. After your first payout, max loss limit locked at your starting balance plus 100 bucks. So 50 for the Where is the fucking code plan, man? Okay. Okay, I get it right now. 500 is not a small amount, bro. Later you can, yeah, bro, I get it with multiple account, but later you can like gradually in size that up. It's not like you're gonna stuck there forever. Like when for instance, like you gotta pay out over 500 bucks, right? Now you can buy uh bigger account sizes, and yeah, man, you can request bigger payouts. Why you like think the opposite way, man? Do not think like start small, bro. Start small. Yeah, the problem is that we are fucking flashed with these guys on Twitter, those who make like $100,000 or whatever shit. But that's not gonna happen for us, bro. Not not right now. Not right now. I can at least say that. I mean, if you thinking like, bro, I'm gonna be making $100,000 and get a payout. I gotta buy like 10, 20 evils and I'm gonna make it. Nah, bro, that's not what it is, bro. It is hard to make that kind of money, bro. And they've blown like hundreds of, or maybe 500 or whatever. They have blown like hundreds of accounts, right? After that, they got funded and yeah, man, they get these payouts. It's not like it's their first time trading 20 accounts at a time and getting a payout worth $100,000. It's not like that. So don't have the mindset. Just have it. Keep a mindset like I gotta make enough money to like spend for my all the expenses, and you can gradually size up all the account sizes that you're gonna trade. Suppose you're right now you're trading at 10K, I mean 50K or 25K evals funded accounts. When you get some payouts, just size it up, bro. Leave some of the money for yourself and spend other monies, rest of the monies for buying new evals. Once you like consistently winning, right? I'm from Mars, dude. I'm from Mars. We have as an art, so I guess it is the ending right here. If we sweep that high right here, that high, that's not good. That's not good. By the way, Chad, I haven't taken that trade. I was in this trade. I got out here. You know that. I to tap into this travel gap. So now we gotta see if price is respecting that travel gap or not. You could see where it is right now. Exactly at the consequent encroachment. And let's see, we have a bearish SMT. All right, you can short here, low key. You can short here if you want to, and it's at least gonna go below these lows. And you will see, as soon as we close this candle, we're probably gonna go lower. If we make a clear swing high right there. And let me measure this candle's wick, this candle's body, and you could see 50% of that candle's body being respected. And if you take the quadrant, upper quadrant is respected right there. So it could be a short. We have S&P, we tap into a fair value gap, we have sell side liquidity stacked up multiple ones. So yeah, now it's gonna go down low. Just have a smaller stop loss. Just have a smaller stop loss. Not Do not risk much. I wanna get into this though. Bro, it fucking already moved like crazy. 24,823, 24,823 dot 82. Yup. 30. Well, on my broker, it's showing price is almost here. Now we gotta see if price is. Do we have another one? So now it's at top. Alright, so you could see it's gonna go below these lows, and we engineered by sell side liquidity here as well. So we probably gonna get a huge wake down, speedy candle you could say, with speed like sweet. All right, I just hope price goes there. We inverse that 1 minute fair value gap there as well. Inverse the fair value gap. Why is it fucking delaying on this shit? Oh man, come on, dude. 25 to 7. 24, 8 to 7, 0, 6. Why, man? Why? Why the hell do you need to go up there? Alright, there we go. There we go. Bro, this shit is delaying. This shit is delaying, Loki. Alright, there we go. A little bit more. Come on, give me that low. This shit is fucking pissing me off. Alright, alright, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, my fingers are sweaty right now. I got out at the lowest point. Made 80 bucks. So we made like 153 bucks, I guess. Not bad, Chad, not bad. And pop, pop, man, pop, pop. Like and sub up, like and sub up, Chad, like and sub up. We're scalping today. By the way, Chad, I'm taking these trades on my personal one, not trading any evils today. I didn't bought that funded futures evils because I thought like if I buy this account, then I'll have to pay that monthly fees tomorrow. I mean, after 5 days again. I didn't I didn't buy that account. Like, alright, so let me just take this off. How many points we captured today? Here it was like almost 37. Here it was almost like 15. So 37. No, not 15. 7. So 37, 17. It's not right. 44, 54, 54 points. Okay. Ah, all right. Are you still respecting that, bro? These are. I mean, mm, to be honest with you, I think just because there's like 10 more seconds left, it's probably gonna go up. It's probably gonna go up. That's what I can say, man. Because we have swept those lows, and there is no reason for price to go down right now. 24, it goes 0. Alright, we swept all the lows. Mm-hmm. We swept all the lows. Dude, that was fucking crazy. Alright. Are you gonna sweep that low as well? Come on, Ness. Almost say nothing. Almost say nothing. Oh man, my nose is so stupid. So we swap that high. There's nothing we can tell right now by based off of these. All right, I'm gonna take all of this thing shit off. What the fuck just happened? All right, so we now wait for price to come up. All right, we do not have any fair value yet. We have left the learning session slow, so now it could low-key go up. All right, so let's see if we have a bullish SMT right at this moment. So yeah, you see, I told you, you're probably gonna sweep that low and gotta have some SMT that low right there, and we have that. Let's see if we can go up. All right, 24,778. Come on, come on, come on, make this shit win. Come on, dude. How much are you risking? We're risking too much. Whatever. Bro, we just made a bearish SMT, dude, and that's not good for us. Why the fuck were we respecting these lows? Alright, so now what I wanna see. Bro, S&P 500 is pushing like a bitch, man. Nas is bitching right. Nas is low-key bitching right at this moment. Fuck you, Nas. Alright, there you go. Come on. Come on. Come on a little bit. A little bit more. Come on. Alright, we out. Ah. Now we wait for the silver bullet. I can have some snacks at the meantime. Oh man, 153 and what? Oh, it was a scalp chat. It was a scalp right there. So I have my stop loss right here. So that was like quick 24 points, right? Now we gotta wait for our setups. If I see my setups, I'm gonna get in, bro. I'm gonna get in if I see it. Right now, it's pretty it's pretty rough at this moment. So we better wait, right? Man, wow, wow, just wow, just wow, just fucking wow, just fucking wow, dude. There is no first presentation right at this moment. There is no first presentation fair value gaps at the moment, bro. I don't know what the fuck just happened with S&P 500. Just look at this bitch, bro. What the fuck happened with S&P 500, man? Oh, day, man. Good day. What the fuck? We do not have any fair value gap still. Bro, I gotta pee. I gotta pee real bad, chat. I gotta pee, man. What the fuck is going on, bro? Like, what the heck is going on with the S&P 500? Alright, let's have a look at Euro chat. This right here was a free signal for y'all. How many points, chat? How many points right here? 33 pips for Forex. And I didn't even took that trade, bro. I could have made 330 bucks on this easily. All right. I guess you guys haven't taken that trade. So, all right. That is a big ass gap, bro. That is a huge gap on the electronic time frame. Did you sweep that low? Or we sweep that low? We tap the low of this yeah, lower quadrant of this gap right here. So possibly it could go up, man. I'm not looking for any buys until we reach to the midpoint of this gap. All right, so that means on the regular chart we gotta see price close above these highs right here, these highs. So you could see it's engineering buy side liquidity right now. It's engineering buy side liquidity so that later when it runs, it's gonna run its pitch. By the way, Chad, make sure to check out Finity Funding. Black Friday is here, 30% discount. Use my code, Magnitude ICT. Go check out Finity Funding, Chad. My hands are fucking sweaty, bro. Have you guys taken any trade yet? Have you guys taken any trade, Chad? All right. What the fuck is it trying to go, bro? Yo, Chad, stay out of NAS if it's not giving you any inversion, whatever bullshit. But I'm not gonna go long if we don't have any inversion. I want a fucking inversion fair value gap, man. Where the fuck is it trying to go, dude? Okay, okay. Holy moly, man. Holy moly, dude. Holy moly. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is this, dude? Oh, shit, man. That is the biggest candle right there. And you're proceed and see this fucking thing right here. Fuck, man. I just missed the fucking trade. So let me show you all something, chat, and you're gonna be surprised. All right. So if we go to your go on the 1 minute time frame, we BTS didn't see this right here, and we're probably gonna go for these lows right here. All right. So let's see. If we miss, there is nothing we can do though. Nothing we can do, doc. All right. So just gotta live with those two, bro. Just gotta live with it. Come on. Come on, bro. It's not even feeling any fair value gaps or fuck, man. It's too heavy right at this moment. Alright, tap into the. What the fuck? What was that, bro? What was that, dude? What? Fuck me, fuck me, man. What the fuck, dude? Holy shit, holy shit, dude. Damn, bro. What the fuck? What is going on today, bro? What is going on today on mass and oh man, damn, dude, this is fucking crazy, dude. Bro, the first trade that we took could have made me like almost like 300 to 400 bucks on mass today. Oh fuck, man, I can't even shout out. I can't even shout, and there is no entry. There is no fucking entry, dude. What the fuck are you gonna do? What the fuck you gonna do with this? What the fuck you supposed to do, man? Come on, bitches. Like, seriously, dude. This is straight up bullshit, man. This right here is straight up bullshit. Alright, let's see if price goes to that one as well. If it does, we can get around 80 points. Come on, man. Give me a refill on a fair value gap. Okay, okay. Bro, this shit is low-key bitching right now. Nas is low-key bitching right at this moment, bro. Not gonna lie. What the fuck is he doing, dude? What the? Oh, holy moly, man. Bro, are we even gonna get any sort of? Are we gonna get? Are we inverse that? But we have a fair value gap there. Let's see if we can get a setup right here. Right. So if this fair value gap gives us a setup that is good, though. Let's wait. We have a old low there, so that could react as an re Which, what the fuck is going on, dude? Bro, how many points, Mass? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Bro, I don't understand anything right now. Dude, dude, holy fuck, man. What the, what is going on, man? You all trading this? Have anyone taken any trade? Have anyone taken any trade, chat? All right, we have this low right here. Bro, I'm pissed off at this right now. It's not giving me any opportunity to go in, dude. I have so much stacked up liquidities. All right, bro. I'm irritated because I didn't get the chance to be participating in this shit. What can you say, dude? Like, what the fuck is this, man? Chad, I think TJR today made like maybe 400, 600K. Today he's definitely making some huge money. 2 years is low key making some huge money today. Because you know why? Because during this kind of day he's very precise with his enters. So low key he may be making low key is making some rag, bro. And I don't care about his making it or not. Bro, this 1 minute fair value gap is low key too much risky right at this moment. 24 684 dot ID. But we have these lows. These are all lows. I entered a little position there on that fair value gap. Bro, look at that tab, bro. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. We made another. Ah, bro, that was a short scalp. We made another 50 bucks, almost like 50. Yeah, now you could say these are small as wings, bro. I'm up like almost 250 today. Yeah, I've taken like three trades, except the first one was an L. So with these three W's, I'm up like almost 250, bro. All right, so that was like almost how many points was that? 35 points. That's not a bad trade though. That is not a bad trade, chat. Do you think that is a bad trade, chat? What do you say, chat? Y'all think it's a bad trade? I don't think. I don't think so. And it's gonna go for these lows as well, dude. Oh man, dude, this is fucking crazy, man. This shit is fucking crazy. Holy moly, man. Alright, I gotta show y'all. Man, that candle on the 1 hour time frame is like true. Juicy, bro. I mean, it's so big. Oh, so big, man. It's so big. The candle, I'm talking about the candle, dude, not something else. A new 5 minute candle just opened. We gotta make money. We gotta be making money. We better make money. Come on, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Chat, just look at this on the 5 minute time frame, bro. Alright, we do not need these anymore. These are noise on my chart. So we tap the last 1 hour fair value gap. We gotta wait for this 1 hour candle to close. I mean, you gotta wait for a new 1 hour candle. Bro, that is like 200 and oh my gosh, bro. 283 points within one candle, bro. Holy fuck, man. That is fucking crazy. Alright, we got. Let's see if we can get use an inversion. Let's say it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick today. Bro, I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour candle. So there's 9 minutes left. I don't want to rush in anymore. Cause what I think is gonna happen now, we're gonna make a S&P that swing high. Yeah, if we don't make a S&P that swing high, uh, S&P 500 doesn't have that swing high, so there's no use. But man, so it's probably gonna sweep that, and the next 1 hour candle probably gonna go down a little bit more. I don't know, man. I don't know. I have no idea right at this one, but this was a nice inversion and 40 points right there. All right, we swept that low. Now we gotta see if it's gonna go down or up. All right, we have inversion right there. Now we gotta see if it's respecting that fair value gap. All right, we gotta see if price is respecting. If we get a tap into that fair value gap, that is nice. Did you inverse that? All right, we didn't inverse that fair value gap right there. Bro, that oh, let's wait for price to inverse that if we're gonna go up. I mean, what are you trying to do, dude? What are you trying to do? I mean, I can see. We have 6 more minutes left for the new 1 hour candle to open. I'm not gonna risk anything. I'm not taking a trade, bitch. I'm not. Fuck it, bro. Hell no. Unless we open another 15 minute 1 hour candle, bitch, I'm out of it, bro. Holy moly, I don't want to lose my ass, bro. Okay, come on, man. Kick me, man. Did you make any SMT? We had bullish SMT with these lows. We have bullish SMT with these lows. We might go up into that probably opening range gap. We might. I'm not saying we gonna go there, but it could. Alright, so don't cry, baby. Oh, this shit is irritating me, dude. Ha, bro, we could have. Shit, shit, and I don't even want to stay 80 points. Shit, man, 80 fucking points, bro. 80 fucking points. Do you get a SMT level? I see you, man. 4 more minutes for market to open. Oh, dude, bless me, bro. Oh, what the fuck? No use. No use. No fucking use there. Alright, you gotta see if price is respecting these bullish feather gaps or not. Let me gap, man. Come on, baby, give me a kiss, man. Alright, yo, chat. Yo, chat, like and sub up, chat. Like and fucking sub up. Y'all being lazy. Come on, man. I wanna take a trade there, but man, wait for the next candle though. Do you have any S&T? Alright, it's gonna respect that volume imbalance right there. We have a volume imbalance on the electronic charge. So this could likely go up. This could. And yeah. By the way, chat, we have a news at 10 a.m. So 2 more minutes left for the news. Let me check on that. Yeah, that is a medium impact news. Medium impact news. Bitch news, bro. All those are bitch news. Come on. Bro, that 50-minute candle is like, it's really scary, dude. Chat, let me show you all something. If you look at that 15-minute candle, I look, you think we're gonna end up going higher, though. This engineered buy side liquidity probably gonna be in flat. Oh man, holy moly, bro. Holy moly, you. Wow, man, man. Wow, man. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Chat, like and sub up, chat. And yeah, make sure to check Affinity Funding. 30% discount right now. Don't miss this chance. Black Friday gonna end soon, so make sure to grab yourself an account. You can get a 10K for almost like 60 bucks. So that's a good offer for y'all. If you think you wanna take, all right. Now I think that we're gonna go up. No, do not need these. Or let me see something. Okay, so we're in deep premium right now. If we don't sell out right now, then we might not might we should we hiking gonna go up if we do not fall right at this moment. Just open up another 1 hour candle. So there is another 1 hour candle. So bro, that week is fucking scary, dude. That week is scary. What the fuck? Alright, so let's see if price comes down into this I want to see it comes down into that. Yep. Now I want to see. Now I want to see price going up. I want to see price going up. Uh, in market. Well, that could be the silver bullet we are looking for. This right here could be our silver bullet. Or it could be the exactly opposite thing. So let's wait for it. Wait for the next candle. We're gonna know. Yep. Mm, yeah, man. If we inverse that, then I think there is a little bit of chance that we're gonna go lower. If we inverse that, I better be ready. Alright, so we didn't inverse that. We didn't inverse that yet. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, chat. Holy moly, what is going on, dude? I cannot risk to getting this kind of move is very, very scary, dude. What the what the fuck is going on, man? Holy shit. Holy shit. Alright, now I don't think it's gonna go up anymore. It's probably gonna go down. Come on, man. Give us a silver bullet, bro. Give us the fucking silver bullet. Alright. Holy moly. This could be the continuation to the downside chat. Not gonna lie, bro. But we gotta wait for our entry. We missed that inversion right there. I'm gonna take all these bitches shit off from my chart. But so that was the first inversion. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Alright, if we can see um SMT right like these, that's gonna be awesome, bro. But we have this sell side liquidity down. Better not expect that. It's no use of expecting that. All right, where are we? Where are we in terms of? All right, so we tap one more time into that 1 hour fair value gap, and there is a 1 minute order block as well. So I'll go long if we can inverse this one right here. I'll go long. If we can inverse this one, I'll go long. Unless and if we fail, then there's nothing for us, dude. There is nothing for us today. We're gonna. Oh, we made money today. We made pretty good money. I made pretty good money yesterday. I think I got back to back like 3 or 4 W's today on Nest. Try to tap into that Let me see my other traders right now. I want a long list so bad, bro. Or whatever. Holy shit. 24630, 24630 dot 40. Alright, it didn't inverse that yet. I'm not in yet. So wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Alright. Now let's see. I'm not gonna have a huge stop loss on this. That's gonna cook me real bad, bro. So 24, 6, double pro, 4, 6, 8. Alright, my stop loss is I think out. No, I can't put 24, 6, 6, 7. Yep, 1 is to 1 at this moment, I guess. That is like almost 1 of. Do you have anything fishy? We do not have anything fishy right now. Yep, 50. Come on. I'll probably close above that high. Above that high. Alright, just a little bit more. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yep, yep. I'm gonna go break even on this right now. 24639. 24693. 4693 dot. Oh man. 693.88. Now that is not good. That is not good at all, bro. My stop is right there, right now. My stop is right below this candle. I think a little bit higher than that. Come on. It's not looking good, chat. I hate getting stopped out on break even, dude. I hate getting stopped out on break even. Just go up. Just go up, man. Or if you tap into that 1 minute fair value gap, but but we are below an inversion fair value gap. So we gotta go through that and take support off of it. If we don't do that, then it's not good for us, man. All right. What the bullshit is this, bro? All right, I took something off. I paid myself. All right, click some partial small. All right, nice. But I'm gonna let it run. I don't care right now. Not break even. I'm not break even like that, you could say. But this could. Do we have SMT? Bro, if we end up making SMP with SMP 500, that's gonna cook us real bad, bro. I mean, I've taken. I've taken two partials, so I don't fucking care. If it straight up goes up to here, then bro, I'm gonna make some cash. I mean some racks, whatever shit you wanna call. But what I wanna see right now is that I guess I don't need to see anything. Are we stopped out? Not yet. Yeah, we stopped out. Fuck man. Thank God I took some partials. So alright, wait a minute, Chad. Let's see how many points was that. That was for freaking 50 points right there. That was freaking 50 points. So it's not bad. Say it yourself, bro. Say it yourself. So this could possibly gonna go down. This is possibly gonna go down. All right, but we gotta look for these things. We don't have any sort of bearish SMT whatsoever, but whatever, man. Bro, why are these candles stacking up? These candles are stacking up. Eh, have anyone taken that trade? Have anyone taken that trade? Chat. The shot that I took. I mean, long. What the fuck am I saying, dude? Okay, man. Okay, man. Where we tapped? Where the fuck we tapped? It didn't tap there. We didn't tap there, dude. Alright. If we can close above these highs, we can still go up, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna be waiting for. Bro, I've taken too many, like 5 trades. Yeah, these are scalp trades. I'm just going in and getting up. So you cannot complain that. You cannot complain about that. These are scalp. Bro, I've gained like, come on, man. 10% today on my fucking personal phone, dude. That is crazy. 24,681. Do we have an SMT? Alright, I want to see price inverse that. If it doesn't do that, then there is no trade. You all be fish, fishing right now, like saying Nangjan is taking hell a lot trade, but the thing you don't know is that Nangjan is watching price, bro. Nangjan is freaking watching price like like watching watching with a microscope. What is it? Well, I forgot it. Whatever. All right. Let's see if we can form a bullish SMT. Did S&P 500 took that low? It didn't took that low. We have this small fair value gap. Okay, but I think we're gonna inverse that. There is no clear fair value gap still, so we cannot just take a trade based off of that. We still can inverse that, right? And there is another fair value gap right here. If you haven't seen that, wait for it to be inverse too. Then if we inverse two fair value gap, then it can go down, man. I'm gonna make this gray and have this right here. So you could see we are inversing that. Oh shit. Do you have any SMT? Alright, do you have a bullish SMT? We gotta go down. We gotta invalidate that SMT. Otherwise, it's not gonna go down, man. We gotta sweep these lows, make impulsive price lift, and then create a fair value gap. Then we can get a clear setup, though. We can get a clear setup. Alright, this could go up. I mean, you don't want to see that low to be taken out, because if that's been taken out, the whole narrative fear is that we want to see that low to stay intact and create a bullish SMT, and you could see fucking create did that. And I said that before it even happened, dude. So now price should be able to see these highs, and yeah, man. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. We have all this stacked up buy side liquid. Alright, so that low is, did you sweep any highs? You didn't. Wait for this candle closure. Wait for this candle closure. But we made a clear swing low. So if it does go down right now, you have nothing to do. That's not your fault. That is market being ass. That is market being ass, dude. Hi brother. Hi. How you doing, man? If now price sweeps that low, you can do nothing. You can do nothing. Don't even blame yourself on that one. Because it's just market being ass. Trust me, bro. I've seen that too many times. It's right now it's shitting and it's not even giving us those clear moves. Just keep on trailing your stop loss if you're taking this trade though. And you could see it's stalling right now. It is stalling. I want to see it push up above these highs like real quick. These highs have lots of liquidity, right? All right, we inverse that. Now you can put on the inversion tag, right? So it at least gotta go up to these, right? Now 24684, 24684.0, right? Come on, man, this shit is being asked right now. Bro, why the fuck Nas do this, bro? Do we have any SMT? We have a fucking bearish SMT. Is that high? If you can see it, but that also mean one thing, that Nas is pretty much uh, a little bit more bullish than ES. If we're gonna go up here, right? So have you look at here, right? Look at here on YouTube. If I'm right, it is gonna tag this out. It is gonna tag these out. There are a lot of buy side liquidity there, but bro, now it's clearly bitching. I have a bearish S&P. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? What the fuck? Shouldn't be making any sort of swing high here. There is no swing high here right now. We have a lower high. We have a high. We didn't make a lower high to the right yet, so still it can go up, but and you know what I'm gonna say? The beach has moved, bro. It's not even moving. You have nothing to do with that. It's just Nas being Nas. It's just Nas being Nas. Yeah, not even Nas. It's being Nas. Now, do you have a bullish SMT right at this moment? You do not. You fucking don't. We tap into that in bullish fair value gap one more time, so it should be going up, but bro, it's just time stalling right now. I'll probably cut that rate. No, it's fucking time stalling, dude. This is literally irritating for me. I'll probably gonna cut this trade if we don't push up right now. Within this next candle, price should be going up, bro. This literally like bitching right now. Yeah, the NAS is bitching. Now this will go down. Once we inverse that one more time, and it's gonna go down. Alright, we out. Fuck, man. That was literally what can you say? Price didn't go up there. The only reason was that we had a bearish S&P right there. Fuck, man. I don't want to be part of this anymore. Alright. So yeah, I'm still up, like real nice. Whatever. Bro, you shot at exactly your stop loss. I mean, you're the G, bro. You're the G, dude. Great, great, great. Great, man. You have 100% win rate, dude. We are pussy. Once in a while, we get wins. Once in a while. All right. So it's 9:30 almost. If we get stopped out, don't run away, bro. Don't run away. Don't run down. By the way, chat, make sure to sub up and give a thumbs up, dude. Give a thumbs up. And chat, the Black Friday is here, so make sure to check out Finity Funding. Use my code ICT to get 30% off. You can literally get a 10K for 60 bucks right now. So don't miss the chance. Go and grab yourself an account, dude. Bro, now it's consolidating. It's literally consolidating right now. So I'm not gonna be a part of this unless we open up another 15-minute candle. Literally, it's just consolidating right now. Alright, excuse my smoking, chat. I'm gonna smoke one cigarette and yeah, make sure to sub up, chat. Sub up and give a thumbs up, dude. And we hit 4 Ws today on the stream. And I gave a free signal on GBP USD. I haven't taken right, but those who took that trade made that was like a 33 pips on that trade. Excuse my smoking, man. Excuse it. Man, it's $1,000 today. It happens, dude. It happens. We fucking missed the whole 200 pips. I was in that short, dude. I'll ask my chat that I was short right around here, I guess. So we got out below these lows right here, these lows, and yeah, man, I didn't wear that, bro. I could have made like $400 today. All right, there is your short. If it goes one more time above that inversion on the 1 minute, it's going up, and you'll see, bro. It just manipulated us, manipulated sellers, not sellers, the buyers. Bro, my nose are hurting so bad, dude. All right, it's gonna go up, dude. 4 more minutes left for the next 15-minute candle to open. All right, I think now is the time. Come on, dude. Come on. We're respecting that. Yeah. Bullish fair value gap by inversing that. That is not good for us. We want to see that being inversed. We want to see that. Bro, I want to see a big candle through that fair value gap right now. If we're going to go up. And if we're bearish, and it's probably going to go down. It is literally, it's like shit, literally. Fuck it. I think the next 15-minute candle gonna uh, show you the real move. Right now, it's just fucking consolidating. It's just trapping everyone, fucking everyone up within this box. And once we broke that bullish parabolic gap, it's gonna do that with speed, bro. You all will see that. You all gonna see that. It's gonna do that with speed. And there is gonna be almost like 20 points candle. There's gonna be a, come on, come on, Nas. Stop being an ass, bro. Stop being an ass, bro. Come on, Nas. Come on, Nas. What the fuck this shit is doing, bro? All right, we low-key gonna inverse that now. Fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go a little more. Come on, man. What the fuck? That's why I say don't be cocky, man. Don't be cocky. And I'm in this right now. I'm out. I'm fucking out. I'm fucking out, bitch. I'm fucking out. That's why I tell everyone to not to be cocky, Chad. Not to be cocky. 51 points. Didn't I say once you go through that candle is gonna be more than 20 points? 25 points. 52 points. My stop loss was right there. That rejection block, right below that candles, right there. Two or three there. That's why I said, don't be fucking cocky, bro. Never ever be cocky. And don't, bro. I do not compare myself to anyone, but sometime you guys just be so weird. I must say nothing, dude. I must say fucking nothing, bro. I could have made another more. I could have made another 100 bucks, dude. Dude. Oh, all right. So what is your name, man? Gamer that SG gamer that SG whatever. Bro, you got stopped out, dude. Bef, Good bad news for you, bro. You got stopped out. And when it happened, look at this. When the fuck it happened? The next 15-minute candle. The next 15-minute candle went up. I know what I'm doing, dude. I know what I'm fucking doing. All glory to God's, bro. All glory to God's. Always be grateful to God for everything. Thank you, God. Thanks for thanks for the profits, God. I love you, God. I love you. Yeah, man, I love God. I freaking love him so much. My TP already hit, bro. What? Huh. Then you're targeting 20 pips, 20 points, bro. I don't do that shit. The real expansion will happen between 10:45 to 11:15. Remember this. Oh man, I didn't know that. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. Because that time window is the Lennon close. Mm-hmm. All right, we swept the high. I could have won the first one if I had my stop loss. Yeah, if I had a bigger stop loss, but I was going in the high leverage, so it's not a funded account, dude. So I was going in with high leverage. That's why, and you could see how it respected all these inversions, bro. Look at this inversion right here. That is fucking crazy, dude. All right, chat. Give a thumbs up to the stream for this trade. Up, up. I think we got like almost four W's, two L's. Those two L's are not that much use. I'm still up like almost 8% today. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. All right, now this is your silver bullet. This could be the silver bullet. This right here could be your silver bullet, and price is respecting the consequent encroachment. This could be the next long. I'm not gonna take any more trade today, chat. I'm done. And I think I'm gonna be only trading the New York session from now on. And yeah, man, I'll probably gonna be trading New York session from now on. All right, there you go. There you go. You can target for these highs, these equal highs. But these are too smooth for me. These are too smooth, and it's gonna be jagged. This high is gonna be jagged. Bro, I see this silver bullet going to sell. Why you try to long? Because I have some key levels and price is showing me that it's not gonna go lower than that. It could go lower than that, but it gotta take some sort of buy set. So you have taken out that swing low, that swing high that we created within this dealing range. So let me tell you what I was trying to say. This range right here, where um, here traders what traders did, they went short right here, right, and here traders went long. So within this dealing range, if price ends up going into premium, what it's gonna do, it's gonna probably gonna take out those buyer or sellers who went in early. So that's why I had that in my mind. When price failed to go lower and created that bullish SMT right here, I was sure about it that price probably gonna take out that internal high that it created after this huge downside move because Those who went short here, where their stop are right now, above that high. We take them out. Probably now it's gonna go sell off. The real move, what you are talking about, it could now possibly gonna what do you say? Like gonna show us where it's gonna go for real. But we do not have any sort of bearish SMT or whatsoever, so I'm not gonna be a part of this. I'll stay out of it, right? That's what I'm gonna say, bro. By the way, chat, make sure to check Affinity Funding, 30% discount going on. Use my code NACGEN ICT. Black Friday, use that coupon. All right, but it's still respecting that inversion. We're still respecting that inversion. Ay, 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 yo. Yo, chat, like and sub up. Like and sub up, chat. Give a thumbs up to the stream. Let's see. I long that. Wait, is that a Judas string that form? It could be. It could be just. Look if this inverse, this fair value gaps, price inverse in this fair value gaps. If it does, then there is a high probability that it's gonna go up and probably gonna sweep these highs. Because if we look at S&P 500, it almost swept these highs, so it's gonna be more bullish. And at least Nas gotta catch up with S&P 500, so it's I don't think it's gonna go up to these highs today. So it's probably gonna take out these equal highs, if I'm not wrong. But we gotta wait for price to inverse that 1 minute bearish level again. That one. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look at my other chart. This is fucking crazy, dude. This is literally crazy. Alright, I think that there. Holy moly, bro. If I show you, chat, if I show you where price took support, you all gonna be shocked. But I'm not gonna do that. And I can tell you that price probably gonna go continue going up. Probably gonna continue going up. That's what I think. Now that's not being super confident or whatever shit you wanna say. I'm saying that it could end up going more higher, but you gotta wait for it though. Real expansion will happen 10:40. Bro, I saw that, bro. I saw that, dude. 10:45 and 11:15. Do you think I don't know that? And it's not always 10:45 to 11:15. It's not always that time window. It's not most of the you could say more majority of the time it does that, but it's not always. Alright, gold overall just consolidated today. Yeah, gold didn't even move. It took out the that pokey data low. I think we're gonna continue going. I should have you have a look at these. I'm gonna take 5 minutes from y'all. I'll be back. I'll be like putting on some motivational space for y'all. Which one should I do? Yeah, that is too much.
Go into trading if you've just recently started, and if you're honest, you think back to why you first got into trading. This is what I'm going to do. This is why I'm doing it. This is my whole structure behind what makes me a future successful trader. I'm going to live life this way, and my ideals are going to be around this principle or these pillars. And the ones that have finally arrived at profitability, if they look back, they probably think to themselves, yeah, this isn't what I thought it was. And my perspective on what was motivational in the beginning, I don't hold those same views now because you're there. I was trading with the pursuit of being worth wanting to be with because I would have more money. Because I came from a impoverished upbringing, broken household, no father figure in my life consistently, a murderous father, literally a murderous father, who should have never been recently let out of jail. Mother didn't want me. So I had the perfect comeback story foundation, don't I? I had it. And I lived it. I was sorrowful, broken spirited. I was always daydreaming of future success of this and that. I lived vicariously through movie characters. And a lot of the things in my presentations, I tap into my boyhood, that child inside me that no one should ever let grow up. And my perspectives are rooted in things that were going to make me better than what I was. You want to hang out with the boys. You want to impress them, or ladies. You want the men to appreciate you because you can earn it on your own. I'm going to tell you something, ladies. And a lot of my female students have learned this the hard way. Successful women are intimidating to men because most men are lazy. Most men won't put in the effort that you are doing right now. And the ones that are making lots of money, you make men insecure. And I actually counsel my female students to never tell the men that they're dating what they earn. Sure, you can act like one of the old ladies on Facebook, part of the investment club. Yeah, we're part of an investment club. You tell it to a guy like that, they're like, oh yeah, good luck with that. I don't want to hear about it. It's not intimidating. It sounds like a bunch of old ladies sitting around cutting coupons and trading them off. I won't use this. What do you have? That's not intimidating to men. But tell them that you're making $100,000 a month and they're going to shrivel up. And they're not going to want to be around you because they're going to feel insignificant. And it's sad, man. Men are like that. We're wired that way. Honestly, if I was transported back to being 20 years old and I was dating someone that was making crazy amounts of money like that, I would be highly insecure as a man. So ladies, in my opinion, this is one thing that you don't have to be honest about. And I don't think this is a problem. If you never bring it up, you're not lying. Your finances are not everybody's business, even the person you sleep with. Now, your spouse, that changes it. But all of these factors, as we count through these crows, they're all influential. Well, if I don't get everything I want out of life, this is what I hope I at least get. Like second place. If I get this, then at least I can say it was worth it. That's plan B. There's no plan B. If you go in thinking to yourself, well, this is the consolation prize.
I'm gonna take a minute from you all Did I say that's gonna happen, bro? Did I say that's gonna happen? Just tell me that. Didn't I say it's gonna do this exact thing? Now you gotta admit, bro, I'm the fucking best scalper, dude. What the fuck? Whoa, holy moly, dude. Holy moly. As soon as we inverse that, look at this fucking candle. Dude, you gotta give a thumbs up to the stream right now. You all gotta give a thumbs up to the stream and sub up, dude. Sub up, come on. Didn't I fucking say that, dude? I literally say that 3 minutes ago. What the fuck? That is fucking precision, dude. That is fucking crazy. That is fucking crazy. I said, bro, I got a gift for you, bro. I the real expansion will happen between 10:45 and 11:15. And what is this candle? 10:43. What is this candle? 10:44. What is this candle? 10:45 just started, and before 10:45 even started, we inversed that, went up like 38 points, and you didn't say which way we're gonna expand. You didn't say, bitch, which way we gonna expand. Now, bro, y'all just get on my nerves so bad. Like you all trying to take the credits. Like I'm not taking any credits, but I'm just happy that it did exactly what I expected. And now it's not like that I'm gonna do it every day like this, and not you're also not gonna be able to do this every single day. But pretty much, bro, I'm up like 12%, bro, on my personal account, dude. So that is nice, bro. That is nice. Thank God, bro. Whatever, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and make sure to sub up. And of course, check out Finity Funding and use my code ICT. And from tomorrow, we'll be trading funded futures. So make sure to remember that. And I'll be going live a little bit later than the other days. We were doing live at 7 a.m. EST. Now we're probably gonna be starting the live around 9 a.m. EST, I guess. I don't know yet, but let's see, chat. Let's see. But you gotta admit that, bro. That was a freaking good trade, bro. You gotta admit, bro. You gotta admit at least that. You can check the stream, go back, and bro, price literally gave us how many points? 77 points, bro. Come on, man. I need nothing else today, bro. I'm done for today. I'm done, bro. Come on. Now 10:45. 10:45 candle is going down. What do you have to say about that? You said when I said it went up, you said it's because 10:45 and 11:15 candles expand higher. It didn't sweep that high yet, but we literally reached moved like almost 72 points there. Bro, I'm down for today, bro. Damn. Thank God, bro. Thank God. Whatever. All right, so there is bearish S&P right now. I'm gonna take all this shit off, and I low-key do not think we're gonna go up right now. If we didn't had that SMT right here, I would have told you that it's gonna go up and should these high. Right now I'm checking that shit, and I told you S&P 500 gonna be more bullish than next, and you could see, bro. But just because we don't trade S&P 500, we, yeah, bro. So what I think our price probably gonna take another dip. If we are bullish, it's gonna take another dip, sweep that low, tap into this fair value gap, and then gonna go up. I'm saying it's not gonna happen. I'm just giving you my opinion, bro. So it could do that, but Yeah, man, we freaking made some good money today. We made some good money today. I don't even regret that I blew. I mean, I regret a little bit that I blew my fucking 50K even this morning, bro. I was down like literally 8% on that account, so I knew that I was gonna blow that. So, but whatever. I made those evolution money on my personal account, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, bro, I'll glory to God. Thank you, God. All right, all right, all right. It was a good session today, chat. It was a good session. Now that doesn't mean that we're gonna do this every day. Sometimes we're gonna end up losing our ass, bro. We're gonna end up lose our ass someday. And you know, I've lost my ass too many times, dude. Alright, so chat. Um, what I want you all to do is that, yeah, by the way, chat. Alright, we swap that low. Let's wait for a minute and see what it does. If it's bullish, we definitely retrace to that fair value gap. I'm saying nothing, dude. I'm saying nothing. But what? Yeah, you can long this shit. Chat, you can long this shit as soon as we inverse that small fair value gap, that right there. You can long that. It's up to you. You can have a tighter stop. I'm not saying there's gonna be a W, but what I see, it should be going up right now. It should be going up. Let's just observe for a minute, right? Not gonna do anything. Come on, turn the radio on. Alright, we closed exactly at the midpoint of that fair inversion. So let's just see how it reacts. I'm saying it again, dude. I'm not giving you 100% confirmation that it's gonna go up, but that's your rejection block RV. That last trade was a top notch. I mean, dude, you cannot say like it's gonna literally go up to that this high, but if it does, it should do that. It's hit. It should do this. Should sweep this high. It's speed, but just because it's a little bit as right now, there is a little more chance that we could end up going down and fuck those up who went long way at that inversion. All right, try like and sub up, chat. Come on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Go up. Let's do Goku. Oh my god. All right, go up, go up. Kame, 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 kame. Now that bitch gonna oh, show the PNL too, bro. That's my personal account, so I cannot show you the PNL, but I can tell that I made around 8%, I think, yeah, almost like 8% on my account. Now this could be $1,000. Personal fund could be a 5,000 bucks. Yeah, this could be any kind, any sort of account. Whatever I make, I literally withdraw that money and transfer it to my bank. I don't keep those profits on my account. Alright, chat. So we made a. Have we taken out that low? If we haven't taken out that low, that's a good thing. But if we have taken out that low, then it's gonna turn on us. Bro, my nose hurts so bad, bro. My nose hurts so bad, dude. Alright, it's now going up. Now it's freaking going up. So let's measure this. Alright, tap into the 50%. Now we do not want to see price taking any sort of retracement or whatsoever, because we're gonna open up another 15-minute candle after 2 minutes. So we don't want to see that. If it does that, those who went long are cooked. And bro, this is the fucking best day on my this whole week. This is the fucking best day, dude. Bro, I have taken 2 minute trades. I gotta log the app, bro. Fuck, man. Alright, I guess what do you say? I guess maybe I'm gonna lose something this week. Don't say that, don't say that, don't say that. God, I'm not gonna trade anymore, God. I'm not gonna greet for anything, but I was seeing the setup, God. Please, God, I was seeing that setup and I couldn't resist taking that. So, God, forgive me for this time and I won't be like over trading anymore. Bro, I usually do not like, what do you say, scalp that much, but I think it's been like 2, 3, no, not 2, 3 months. I think it's been like 1 month that I started scalping so bad, dude. Like, all right, so if we end up going down, that's gonna be the high, and we can inverse that upper one and gonna go down. But if we are not gonna go down, it should be pushing higher. The next 15-minute candle just gonna open up. So you could see we're within this fair value gap, and we have 15 seconds left for the uh, next candle, right? Next 15-minute candle. So what I expect to see, because you do not have anything to fill in downside, let me show you. Do we have anything to fill in here? We don't. So what I want to see is that price do not go below that low or even stall here. It should be going up. If it does inverse that, then it's likely to go down. All right. Now, yeah, man, it's freaking nice, dude. Look at that. I even said that thing, but it didn't tap into that fair value gap though. But yeah, man. Although we've taken some loss, well, I think we took 2 loss. Now those are now major loss, small losses, but pretty much this session was the best session. This trading session was the best session for me, I guess, within this last few weeks. Holy shit, man. Thank you, God. Thanks a lot, God. But I think I lost three evals within these 2 months. That's why I got today, bro. Thank you, God. Whatever. Okay. Now I got free money to buy futures eval chat. Now I got free money to buy futures eval. Literally, I can buy a 50K eval with this profits. So that is good. That is good. Are you gonna sell off from that point, bro? Now this literally ranging, bro. This literally ranging, but within this range we have taken so many nice setups, bro. It's fucking crazy. Those who haven't watched the stream from the end, you guys missed some freaking nice trade, dude. And why I'm saying this high gonna be the high before selling off. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. Y'all see that? How precise that is? So yeah, if we inverse that fair value gap, we're low-key going down. But if we do not inverse that shit, then there is like 80% probability that it's gonna go up. All right, I think it's gonna inverse that. So someone was telling me to hold on to this trade, bro. When I measured this on my other chart, I saw there is a OT level, and today price is not even in one direction. We're trading the counter trend, so price today went down like crazy, right? So you shouldn't be holding any long trade for that much time. You should be getting in, getting out at 1:2 or maybe 1:3 because you're trading the counter trend, right? You shouldn't be holding any trade. Like that's a fact. You will some when you're holding a trade, you're probably gonna see some profits, and you're gonna think, bro, I should be holding this trade. It's gonna go more higher, and what it does, it fuck you up, bro. I got fucked up so many times on NAS. On NAS, I do not target for 1:10, 1:8. I can do that on Forex, right? On the 5 minute or maybe on the 15-minute time frame, I can literally trade like 1:7, 1:6, 1:5 or trade. But on NAS, bro, not me, bro. I'm not doing that. Most of the time I do 1:2. Then we have like 1:2. Two is majority of the time I trade 1:2. That's what I can say. All right, we tap into the rejection block one more time. That was your rejection block right there. Let's just observe this for a minute, all right? Chat, like and sub up, chat. Give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, sub up, and yeah, chat, make sure to check Affinity Funding. 30% off Black Friday sale is going on. Use my code NEXTGENICT. There you go. Now this if we end up once we sweep that high, if we end up going higher from that point, once we sweep that high, you're gonna see within the next 2 or 3 candles, it's gonna sweep this high as well. All right. So keep a watch on that. I'll be back. Just listen to ICT for a minute.
This is the participation award for me at least trying. You have already limited your perspective, and your efforts are right now defined by this is all you're willing to accept. So are you really aiming for above and beyond that? No. Because you've already fortified an acceptance of, well, this will be good enough. Sure, I didn't make enough to quit my job. Sure. I didn't make enough to make all my ends meet. But this is enough for the rest of my career. You're limiting yourself. That could win back my ex-wife. Instead of saying, imagine how much more pleasurable life would be if you let go of that pain and move on and leave her to her decision. She's damaged goods now. You can't fix her. You tried everything. You can't fix her. And I don't want to spend a life trying to mend somebody else and never really live my own life. Some of you just heard that, and that in itself preaches. You're trying to hold somebody together, and you're not even living your own life. You're trying to hold a broken relationship together, and it's not meant to stay together. You're being shown the exit ramp, but you're saying, no, I'm a failure if I leave it. They'll be right in all the things they said about me if I leave this toxic relationship. Both sides, folks. Young men, young women, maybe even older folks. That's what you're aiming for. First place. Silver second. Nobody wants second. You always have the same view when you're second place. You get to see the backside of the guy in front. When I started trading, I didn't want to see the backside of anybody else. I immediately set my sights on who's the biggest one right now. That was Mr. Williams. And I signed it in my heart that I'm going to be the one that takes that away. And you will see it. I wanted to have a home, freedom, money, disposable money, silly money. And I wanted to never worry about price tags. I wanted to go wherever I wanted to go at the drop of a hat. Just like that. That was my goal. And I didn't want just one home. And I didn't want just one car. Because I grew up impoverished. You can tell, honestly, you can tell when people get money, how do they behave? What do they start buying? They fill in those gaps and those holes in their heart where they were hurt, where they were embarrassed. For me, I didn't have a car when all my friends growing up, they all had cars. I was the last guy. I was basically the scrub that TLC talks about in their song. I don't want no scrub. Hanging at the passenger side of their best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. That was me. And some of you think I'm the fly guy. Man, ICT must have been this. I was the last one in my murder of crows to get a car.
All right, chat. So, all right. I think now it's better to stay out of this. We're gonna probably gonna consolidate until the lunch hour. Um, and yeah, now it's not gonna move even move like the way it did here before 11 a.m. So I'll suggest you to probably you can trade if you want, you can trade, but stay out of this. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure to give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, sub up chat. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Maybe I don't know when I'm gonna start the stream, but yeah, till then, be safe and I appreciate you all for pulling up. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace out, chat. Peace out, chat.